yeah, it's another hot one. Good morning, it is Alex here from Landvista Aquascapes. We are here on day 2 of this big pond clean out over here. Got our fish still in the holding tank. Water's a little cloudy. We had some rain overnight, so pool's filled up a little bit, but we tested this morning. All the levels are good. We're just doing a small flow through water change just to get some, like I had explained before, so we can acclimate them up to tap water. And then over in the pond, we had a fair amount of rain fill up, so you can see that layer of clear water, and all the muck has settled down into the bottom, and we got all 3 pumps going again, and we're gonna start plugging away, pulling all that leaf matter out, and then flushing down into our clean out hoses and pumping out. Yeah, that's where we are for today, or for right now, for the morning. Yeah, oh, okay. Making some progress out here. We're finally to the bottom of the higher section. We're still trying to get as much water as we can out, and then I'm going to take the cleanup pump and flush all this down there. Good afternoon. It is sometime in the afternoon. It's a little after 3. We are out in Deptford, New Jersey again at the 26,000 gallon pond that we're doing a clean out on. As you can see, we are finally to the bottom. We've got all that muck and debris out, and we're still plugging away, pulling out some of the stuff on the edge and getting everything cleaned up. Some of us are, yes, you know, our hard-working employees. But yeah, so that's where we're at right now. We're about an hour. We're gonna continue to plug away, and we're gonna put down some of our gravel. Our gravel got delivered today, so we got 10 tons of gravel. I'm gonna walk up and show you what we pulled out, and then also our giant pile of gravel up here. So it's been a long, tedious process. Fortunately, we had 3 clean out pumps to work with, so we were able to get as much water out as possible, as quickly as possible. But let me flip you around. That's all the physical debris that we had, but there was easily like a foot of muck just sitting in the bottom of this pond. It was not easy, and our cleanup pumps did not like us for it, but we got it done. Just a little bit of flushing through to dilute all that out, and then we've got our 10 tons of gravel right here waiting to go into the pond. So I'll take you guys back out there so you can check that out. But yeah, I think we're making really good progress. It's certainly the biggest clean out that we've done so far, and we've had some challenges along the way, but nothing that we couldn't handle. So yeah, as you can see, my dad rebuilt the little pre-filters for the bottom drain that we got, and then that goes to the former pool filter that now runs the one side of the constructed bog filter, and then the skimmer over here runs the other side. And then the other interesting thing that we've got going on here, every once in a while catches you off guard, but there's 4 peacocks back here. So there's 4 males, 1 female, and then 4 little tiny babies. I don't know where they went. They're probably behind the barn hiding, but right now, but oh, there she is. And there's the little babies. So yeah, this one's been interesting. We're going to be here probably till the end of the week. Like I said, we're going to get as much of the gravel in today as we can and do it a little smartly. That's not a word. We're going to dump into this side that's a little bit higher and then flush down to that side and use our clean out pumps to get all that silt from the new gravel out so that we don't have to worry about everything getting too cloudy and everything. But that's where we're at for today. That's your daily update. So I will leave you guys with that, and as always, tune in next time. We will be live again tomorrow, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.